Come eat lunch with me!
Good thing there's no trash can around here. Now I can just put the trash wherever I want.
Daniel, seriously, you should pick that up, man.
Why?
The Seagull monster will get you.
Oh, the Seagull it's gonna come and kill me. No, wait. It's gonna kill you first and then me. Oh, no.
No, seriously, Daniel, pick that up. Seriously, okay? The principal would be mad.
Alright, I'll pick it up.
What was that?
What was what?
Didn't you hear it?
Hear what? I didn't... There's...
That! Did you just not hear that?
It sounds like bushes moving. Big deal, dude. I'm not picking up the trash.
Pick up the trash.
I'm not gonna pick up trash that I don't need to.
Oh my god! It's a Seagull monster! Where's that Seagull monster?
Curtis? Curtis? Come on, Curtis, come out. Curtis? 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 Where are you? I missed you so. Seems like it's been forever since you were gone. Isn't it funny, Curtis? Where are you? Curtis! Curtis, no!
Daniel,
You okay?
go on without me.
No, I can't leave you here.
Tell my mother I love her.
Okay. Do you need anything else?
Don't even worry about it. This is like the 4th Seagull video I've died in. I'll probably be in the next one.
What? No!
Love of mine, someday you will die, but I'll be close behind. I'll follow you into the dark, no blinding light.
Get this thing, if it's the last thing I do.
White, just our hands clasped so tight, waiting for the hint of a spark. And if heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied.
Got me in the eye. It's going through my whole body. Maybe I should have thrown away my trash. Only you can prevent getting killed from the bird now. 2 high school students died that day. They will be remembered in our hearts forever. The only image we have left of this seagull is a mere flash picture found from an anonymous source.